And there you go. You just got it too. Hi. You just got
I'm not
lightning.
stopping until I get as much as I can before this gets too bad.
True. I'm standing right here.
We got lightning all around us. There's a flash right there, the first one I caught, and then there was one over there.
Yeah. Thunder. That was lightning. Whoa!
That was cool. And I know
See?
that showed up on camera.
Lightning, thunder.
I know that showed up on camera too.
See, lightning, then thunder. Usually. I can't be
This is gonna be good.
It's gonna be bad.
Bad in a good way.
I'm not going home if it's gonna be like this. Can I stay until it's over?
I don't mind.
I don't fall asleep first. I fall asleep and...
It's not quite here yet or it'd be raining harder. That's why I'm out here getting this now.
Yeah.
She's coming.
Oh yeah. I could...
So I got like 36 some odd minutes.
You got another one. All right in there.
Did you see that?
I saw that.
Did you see it on the camera though?
I saw it on the camera. I was looking. That was some lightning. See, you can catch lightning, but you can't catch
You just gotta know how to do it.
Yeah, but you can't catch a still picture.
See, this is things I do for a living, is film shit like this. And then post it on the web, YouTube and shit. I can even post it on my website.
Yeah. Holy! Even in the, right in here where the camera is, it's nice. I'm surprised it's not ground lightning.
Don't jinx it, please.
I'm not trying to. It's coming, and it's gonna be coming down like crazy. I can already feel it.
Go get my phone, I can tell you where the storm's located.
I know exactly where it's located.
No, I mean like in the vicinity. Open up the Weather Channel app. Babe, open up the Weather Channel app and then go to Maps. Rain's getting a little heavier.
Yeah. Weather Channel. Ooh. It's coming.
Can't be right. There we are.
Holy cow, we're in the middle of the storm.
Don't zoom, you won't see it very much. Zoom out. There you go.
The red's like right in here. But
we're right in a yellow pack is what it looks like.
Yeah. I say so myself.
So far we got 5 minutes of footage.
That's nice. It's gonna be raining harder after a while anyway.
Mm-hmm.
I jinxed it. No, I didn't. It is beginning to
It's picking
come
up.
down, yeah.